Hey, my mom messed it up, which is behind you, the Rubik's Cube, and I'll be solving it. And I did do a bit of moves, so cause we tried doing one, and then on accident, I think we didn't record it. It for some reason turned off. So this is what I'm gonna do. So, and I'll try to explain. So, I'm gonna try to be starting with red. And first we need to get a cross. We already have one here, so that's good. So, to get one here, just do that. And if we want to get this one here, we can do that. But we don't want to hurt this one, so move it over and up. Again, don't want to hurt that one, move it up. Like that. Now we have the cross. Now we have, now we need to make sure it's connected with the middle piece. That's right. That's right. That's right. And that's right. And if it was wrong, I just double turn that and then line it up with the right one and then double turn it back. So what I do is sometimes I'll do that, but I'll show you what to do if it's not like that. Now it's there. And we want this to match up with the middle and here. This to match up with the middle and there. Now let's try to find another one. Here's another one. And how I like to do it is that it's matched up with the middle. And so I just do this. And as you see, I have it matched. And so now to get this one, let's see here, to get this one here. And I'll just complete the top side and then show you the next thing. So oh wait, this is important. So if you have one stuck down here, to get it up here, you want to turn this down, back to, see it's here. Now you want to turn that back up, makes that back in place, but we still need to get that here, so now we have the top side. Next, we want to flip it over, and since I see white right here, turn it until I see white. I have white right there. Now I depend which side it goes on. Does it go on this side? No, that's green. So I want it to go on this side. You see, this is already like that, but not this. So you just do this. And you probably won't catch on. So now I see this, and it already has that. So I want that to go over here, because that's yellow. So just like that. Now I have all sides but this. So that has orange, but this one doesn't have orange. So I put that here and do this, and that. And as you can see, I have the bottom too. But we're not done. So now we want the top part. But for the top part, we want this and then a cross. So I'll show you how to do that. So you just do that here, and then keep on doing that. And then this is a perfect spot. You need this one, doing this algorithm, this one won't move. This one moves there. That one would move down, that one would move down. And we want to have a cross and one. So a cross and one. So So that one will, once I do this algorithm, that one would be up over there. So let me just do this. See? It's right there. Now I want to make it so it's like that, like it's pointing here. And then I just do the algorithm again. And then it's like that. It may not look like I did anything, but I set it up. See? Now I have the top part. Now, these are called headlights. It's if we have two of the same color on each side. So we want those to face the back of me. See? Like that. It's the back of me, and then I do a certain algorithm. And then it does that, and I just turn it to the side and I solve it. But let me show you one more thing. So I'm just gonna mess this up again. I actually got lucky that time when I just needed to do that. So I'll show you. I'll show you what I need to do. So I'll get there and I'll show you, and I'll see if I have it. Actually could have done something else, but I guess I'm already here. And surprisingly, I can do part of it without looking. I'll get this up here without looking, and I'll do it behind my back. So if I didn't have headlights, then I would just hold it anywhere except for like anywhere like this, and do the same algorithm as if I had it back. And then I would have headlights. So I just do the same algorithm. Oh, and so then I would have headlights. Then I just do that same algorithm, and then as you can see, I'm almost finished. But I want one side to be done over here. So what you need to do is do the last algorithm, which is this. And then as you can see, I have one side. Then I do that same algorithm. And then depending on where it is, it should solve it.